Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can send money from Venmo to your bank account. In order to do so, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and also make sure that you're logged into your account. In order to transfer money from Venmo to your bank account, it is a very simple process. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. So in the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see your Me icon or the profile icon. Just tap on it. As soon as you click on the Me icon, on the other interface, you'll have two different alternatives, that is wallet and transaction. Since you want to transfer money from Venmo to your bank account, so click on wallet. That once again, you'll be provided with two different alternatives. In case if you've already added a bank, then you'll have an option such as this. And if you want to add a new bank account, then click on the option that says add a bank or card, which is right in between. Click on it. On the other interface, you need to go through the above statement, and if you've gone through it, click on the next button. And on the other interface, you'll be asked to enter in your bank detail. That includes entering your bank account name or your card number or an account number and other information. Once you're done entering all of these information, click on the submit button. And once you enter in the information correctly, then you'll successfully verify your account, and after that you can transfer the fund to your bank account just by entering the amount that you want to transfer to the bank account. In this way, you can transfer money to your bank account from your Venmo. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching.